Epictetus was a slave in Rome. His master grabbed his leg and began twisting it on purpose. Epictetus calmly said, "It will break." It broke. He didn't flinch. Think about that for a moment. No screaming, no begging, just stillness. Because Epictetus understood something most free men never figured out. Your body can be owned. Your labor can be taken. Your freedom can be stripped away. But your response belongs to you. Always. No one can touch that. That wasn't a theory he read in a book. That was something he proved with his own bones. He was eventually freed. He built a school. He became one of the greatest philosophers who ever lived. And Marcus Aurelius, the man who ruled the entire Roman Empire, studied his teachings to learn how to lead. The most powerful ruler on earth was taking lessons from a former slave. Because real strength was never about what you control on the outside. It's about what you refuse to lose on the inside.